All right, so today we're going to dive deep into PIPPIN. That's ticker PIPPIN. Listen, it's an IEI agent on Sol, and honestly, it's absolutely phenomenal, truly amazing. And then let me tell you, I stumbled upon this token super easily. I was browsing, on the Cookie Point Fun website. It's a video that I actually put together this morning, a live stream session. And on the site, right there, I took a look at what had the most trending activity over the past 24 hours, and believe it or not, PIPPIN. It was right there. PIPPIN, well, after that, what I did next, I was over on CoinMarketCap, and it identified the integrated token. And let me tell you, I was genuinely impressed. We're on the 6th. Today's the 9th. So the 6th, the 9th, the 6th, the 9th. You're going to be so on board with this, 100%. It absolutely delivered. Stick around because I'm about to tell you, you'll be absolutely blown away, seriously impressed. So afterwards, regarding PIPPIN, what I did was quite simple. I just clicked directly on its Twitter page. And then on the Twitter feed, it literally told me like a whole bunch of things.